Kayo po ba ay naghahanap ng pre-selling property in Nova Valley pero yung malapit na ma-turnover or near RFO na? If so, come with me as we check out the available properties here in Aberdeen Estates, Nova Valley. Hello guys, good morning, especially sa ating OFW clients dyan na located in USA, Canada, Australia, UAE, and United Kingdom. Good day po sa inyo lahat. By the way, this is Renz Pagiligan again, your property specialist here in the South, here in Nova Valley. By the way, my branding name is The Estate Savvy and ako po yung magiging agent or property specialist nyo po dito. Guys, nakapaghanap na po ba kayo ng properties or are we still looking around po? Well, if no po po, no, if naghahanap pa kayo ng properties, let me help you. So, eto po, no, kasabay ng bilis ng panahon, meron po tayong community inside the valley na mabilis na rin po yung, or next year na po yung completion date nito, 2026 na. So, if you are looking ng properties inside the valley na malapit na ma-turnover or pwede ng malipatan or mapagawaan ng bahay in next year, meron po tayo dito na community in Aberdeen Estates, Nova Valley. But before we go po, no, sa ating community, let me just share with you a brief information about Nova Valley. Nova Valley is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala land here in the Philippines. When we say eco-estate, no, yung estate po natin is sustainable na. And Nova Valley is part nature, part city. As you can see naman po, no, we are surrounded by trees, by greeneries. And may sarili na po tayong fire truck, patrol group. Ito po yung umiikot sa buong Nova Valley Estate. And emergency transport vehicle or yung quick response team natin. Na hindi na po tayo nakadepende sa labas, meron na po tayong sarili dito. And Nova Valley is composed of 2,500 hectares in size, up to date na po ito. And sa laki po niya, no, it transcends 3 cities, mainly in Santa Rosa, Laguna, Calamba, and Cabuyao. And sa lawak po ng Nova Valley, no, hinati po siya into 4 parts. First, Nova Valley North, kung saan po tayo ngayon. Dito po located yung ating man-made lake kung saan po tayo pwedeng mag-koi fish feeding, mag-boat riding. Also, dito rin po located yung ating Soledad Malls 1, 2, 3, and yung ongoing po na 4. Ito po yung ating magiging Glorieta of the South. Dito rin po located yung ating Museum for Architecture and Residences, Nova Valley Techno Hub, our shopping centers, Landers, and SNR. Also, the SM Neo Verde. Kumbaga, ito po yung 3 hectares na SM po dito sa Nova Valley. And our own Seda Hotels and Ayala Brand Hospital, Healthway Qualimed. Kumbaga po, andito na lahat sa Nova Valley, hindi na po tayo lalabas. Also, here in Nova Valley North, dito rin po located yung ating 12 hectares in size na East Block and yung ating North Central Business District. Kumbaga, once ma-build po itong ating dalawang business district, ito na po yung ating own version of VGC. Nang magkakaroon po tayo ng opportunities for your children's career in the future, tsaka po, pwede po tayo mag-build or mag-expand ng inyong business dito. Yung mga gagawin or yung mga itatayo dito are mid-rise buildings din. Na yung mga possible pong itayo dito are condo or tertiary school or another hospital or mall. Depende po, basta yun lang po yung mga allowed po na buildings na itatayo po dito. The next part is Nova Valley Central. Ito po yung center or located at the heart of Nova Valley. Dito naman to, no, meron din po tayong 12 hectares in size na ating sariling commercial business district. This is called Central Block. Na yung example, yung mga i-build po dito ay sobrang convenient na sa atin as Nova Valley residents. Example, if magtayo po sila dito ng for shopping centers or retail stores, dito na po tayo mamimili or magbabay groceries instead na pumunta pa dito sa Nova Valley North. And yung mga ongoing development na po dito sa Central Block ay yung ating Mary Mart, tsaka po yung The Shops. Also here in Nova Valley Central, dito rin po located yung ating one of the schools inside Nova Valley, which is Xavier School. Dito sa Nova Valley, no, we have 3 schools. Xavier School sa Nova Valley Central located, and in Nova Valley South, Miriam College and Everest Academy. And the next part is Nuvali Heights, and yung last part of Nuvali is Nuvali South, kung saan po located yung ating communities. Pero kinagandaan po no, na sa ating communities or sa Nuvali South, meron din po ditong allocated na 31 hectares na ating activation area. Yung existing na po dito are bike trail and yung ating golf driving range. Also in this activation area, magkakaroon din po tayo ng garden center, which is na magkakaroon din ng dog park and play park. Also, here in Nuvali South, pagkakaroon din po tayo ng Alfresco Mall. Kumbaga po, may allocated na 10 hectares commercial space dito si Ayala sa Nuvali South na yung plan po niya is gagawing Alfresco Mall. Kumbaga po, dahil sa Nuvali South na po ito, more exclusive na po itong mall sa atin po na as Nuvali residents. Dito po sa Alfresco Mall na ito, kinagadahan kasi sa pinakatap po nito, magkakaroon tayo ng pinakamagandang view of Nuvali, Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, and ng ating Tagaytay Mountains. So, without further ado, let's go na po sa ating community. Now, we are here in Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali. This is located at the southern part of Nuvali. Kumbaga, mas more exclusive na po ito sa residents dito. The size of this community is 22 hectares, and what's good do po no, na mag-invest dito sa community kasi 55% is designated only for house and lots or sa residential natin, and the other 45% is for open spaces, parks, roads, and including na po yung ating 1 hectare amenity spaces. Kumbaga po, hindi po siya yung typical na mga subdivisions dito sa Pilipinas na as in tabi-tabi ang mga bahay, dikit-dikit, maliliit yung mga roads. Dito po sa ating community, ma-feel nyo po mismo kung gaano ka-premium ang isang Ayala Land community. In relation to its elevation naman po, no, nasa main entrance pa lang po tayo or main gate, nasa 180 meters above sea level na po tayo. Kumbaga sa taas ng elevation natin, mahangin na po sa area and medyo malamig na po dito. And sa kinagandahan ng highest or higher elevation natin, kasi po magkakaroon tayo ng magandang view of Laguna de Bay if facing north, if facing east naman Mount Makiling, and if facing west Tagaytay Ridge. And sa taas po ng elevation natin, no, hindi na po tayo magkakaroon ng problem or issue sa flood po dito or yung sa baha. Kumbaga po yung another sustainable feature po ng ating estate or yung mga communities po inside Nuvali, yung mga tubig baha po natin or rainwater, ay kinokollect po natin, and ito po yung napupunta sa mga detention ponds. Kumbaga sa buong Nuvali or across Nuvali, marami po tayong detention ponds. Dito po napupunta yung or kinokollect yung mga rainwaters. Then yung mga rainwaters na po ito yung ginagamit naman natin sa fire truck, and ginagamit din po natin sa panglinis ng roads, sa pandilig sa mga trees natin sa plants across Nuvali. Kumbaga, ito po yung isa sa kinagandahan mag-invest dito sa isang estate ni Ayala sa mga sustainable features natin. The target completion date of this community is next year na po, 2026. Guys, dito po sa Nuvali, no, hindi na po tayo yung umaabot po ng RFO or kumbaga po pre-selling pa lang po tayo before mag-RFO. Nasa sold out na po yung properties natin. So if you're looking po ng near RFO, ito na po community yung the best na pag-investan po natin. And also, this is the best time na po, no, para mag-invest sa ating community or kung saan po tayo pwede mag-retire habang meron pa po tayong available properties. Kasi dito sa Aberdeen, dahil next year na po yung turnover, limited na lang po yung mga available lots natin and yung ating house and lot package. So tara, pasukin na po natin si Aberdeen Estates Nuvali. Guys, pagpasok pa lang natin ng main entrance or yung main gate po natin, tingnan nyo po kung gaano po ka-wide or kalawak po yung ating main road. Tsaka po yung sa ating open spaces, yan po. Ilalandscape pa po nila ito prior to our completion date. So these are the model houses naman po, no, na we offer in Aberdeen Estates Nuvali. Kumbaga if you prefer ng house and lot package, meron po tayong 4. Last 4 po na available house and lots, all 3 bedrooms po. If you want ng house and lot package, just message to my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy. Contact me through Viber or WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564. Ito po yung perfect sa mga OFW buyers po natin. Example, if they want to retire na for good dito sa Pilipinas, dito sa Nuvali, kumbaga po, if house and lot package, naka-ready na po tong houses natin para sa kanila, ready na po siyang tirhan. This is an example of an inner lot. This is 200 square meter. Ganito po siya ma-turnover yung lot-only property natin. We have boundary markers po ng pinurchase po nyo na lot. And yung kinagandahan po, no, na mag-invest dito sa isang island community, kasi po after your property line, meron po tayong walk past, planting strip before pa po ng gutter tsaka ng fronting street. Hindi po siya yung typical na subdivisions po, no? Na example, after your property line po, gutter tsaka fronting street na po kagad. Dito po, meron tayong safety measures, parang 2 meters pa po, no, from your property line. Na example po, lalabas kayo ng bahay, pupunta kayo ng neighbors or ng amenity area, may safe na walking path po tayo na, na lalakaran, hindi po tayo maglalakad sa street. This is an example naman po, no, of a corner lot. Guys, ang ganda po ng corner lot kasi unang-una, magkakaroon po tayo ng 2 or 3 views po sa corner lot, depende po sa location nito. And ang corner lots po natin ay limited lang, so if you want ng corner lot, just message me po, no, para makapag-secure na po kayo ng property dito sa Nuvali. For the lots available, I will show you sa screen ng available lots natin, and those are the blue circles. As you can check po, no, sobrang limited na lang ang properties to offer dito sa Aberdeen. Pero as of this month lang po yan, no, ditong July, the available lots might sold po when you inquire. If you prefer along Main Road and near Baingate, we have 2 lots available po na both 175 square meter. If you want naman na near sa amenity area, we have 4 lots available, all adjacent lots. Nasa 167 square meter ang size ng each lot po nito. Dito po, no, you may purchase adjacent lots to make your property bigger. We have 2 lots din na available, just a walking distance to the amenity area, 182 and 185 square meter. If you prefer ng corner lot, marami po tayong available. The corner lots available na near sa main gate tsaka sa amenity area natin are 213 square meter, 191 and 193 square meter. We also have here sa dulong part ng Aberdeen, if you want ng more peaceful, exclusive, perfect ito. We have 222, 237, and the biggest lot available or biggest corner lot available is 250 square meter na may available din siyang adjacent lot na pwede nyo din i-purchase if you want ng mas bigger na lot. Kinagandahan din ng 250 square meter na ito, no, kasi facing park siya and yung park na ito is connected to the amenity area. So wala itong katapat na bahay sa other side. So those are the available lots po natin, no. If may nagustuhan po kayong lot doon, please do message me to give you the details, the full computation, and the requirements on how to purchase a property. And today is the best time to invest na, no, as we have an ongoing promo. Our payment term is extended up to 30 months. But this is for the first 10 buyers only. After po maubos ang slots or mag-end ang promo, then the payment term will be back to 24 months na lang po. Let's discuss naman po, no, the design of the house na pwede nyo pong itayo sa lot-only property po ninyo. You may design your own house as long po na pasok siya sa modern contemporary concept tulad po nito. Yan po. And with earth tone colors, kasi po si Ayala, strict po tayo when it comes to the design tsaka po sa kulay ng ating bahay. At dahil po magkaka-affect po ito sa ating appreciation of value dito po sa ating community. Pero sobrang lawak naman po ng modern contemporary concept. Kumbaga po, tutulungan ko naman po kayo if you want na mag-build na ng bahay or maghahanap ng contractor, marami rin po sila may offer po sa inyo na design. Doon po rin po, no, papasok tayo mamaya sa isang estates community kung saan may mga sarili po silang design ng modern contemporary for you to have an idea din po kung ano yung mga sample design ng houses na pwede pong itayo sa lot-only property po ninyo. But before po, no, pupunta tayo sa isang estates community, let's discuss naman po, no, kung yung ibang details ng pagpapatayo ng bahay. In relation po to building of your own house, the maximum height na pwede nyo pong itayo sa inyong bahay is 9 meters. 9 meters, sobrang mataas na po siya. Pwede po kayong mag-build ng up to 3 stories. And meron din po tayong setbacks. Kumbaga for the setbacks naman po, no, sa front ng bahay nyo, this is non-negotiable, 3 meters po yung setbacks natin. And for the 2 sides, tsaka sa likod, 2 meters naman po yung setbacks natin para magkaroon po tayo ng ventilation around your bahay po. So para malaman natin, no, kung gaano kalawak yung setbacks, tara, ikutin po natin yung ating model house. Ito po yung sample setbacks natin. For the fence naman po, no, this is optional. Pwede po kayong mag-build ng fence or hindi. Pero para mas maganda po na it is better po maglagay na lang tayo ng plants dito po tulad po nito para makita po natin yung pinaka-boundary ng ating property. Pero if you have kids or pet na dogs, much better pa rin na meron tayong fence for their safety. And kung mag-build tayo ng fence sa front natin, maximum natin is 2 meters. 1 meter solid, tsaka 1 meter na porous. Ito po yung parang grills po natin para kita po yung sa harap ng bahay po ninyo. And sa sides po natin, tsaka sa likod, the maximum is 2 meters na solid, tsaka 0.5 meters po na porous. Tara, let's go to the other estates committee para makita po natin yung sample own or sariling design po nila ng mga bahay. So, those are the sample designs po ng sariling design ng houses po nila, no? If you're concerned naman is yung paghahanap ng contractor, don't you worry po, no? I got you. From the reservation, turnover, up to bank financing, kasi po isa rin po akong home loan broker. Then sa paghahanap po ng contractor, pwede rin po na ako na lang kausap nyo kasi marami din po akong contractors na kilala. Tsaka dito po sa community po natin sa inside Nuvali, may mga contractors din po tayo dito. Kumbaga po, isa na lang po yung kakausapin nyo, ako na lang, parang nakahanap po kayo ng one-stop shop na agent. For our amenity area naman, no, we have a clubhouse, adult and kiddie pool, multipurpose hall, indoor gym, meron din po tayong full-size basketball court, tsaka po landscape park. May ipapakita rin po ako ng isang clip or video clip po ng ating sample po ng amenity area. So there you have it. I do hope na na-convince ko po kayo na dito na sa Nuvali mag-retire and mag-invest po. So for more details, just message me to my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy Property Specialist in Nuvali, or to my Viber or WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564 para po makapag-secure na tayo ng Peace of Nuvali. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates dito po sa Nuvali. So, once again, I am Renz Pagaligan, the Estate Savvy, your property specialist in the South.